Hey guys, how's it going? So, again, this video is maybe a little bit of a clickbait, but it's just a weekend video. And, it's just an idea that I came up with. I don't know if this, I don't think this is going to happen, but I think that this would be a good synergy if AMD bought out Gamestop. AMD could offer Gamestop, I don't know, like $2-3 billion buyout of GameStop using their stock and maybe a little bit of cash. AMD could easily afford to buy GameStop. It would be like less than a drop in the bucket for AMD to buy out GameStop, because AMD stock is so valuable and GameStop stock is so undervalued that AMD could easily buy out GameStop, and it would not even affect their stock price really, but it will increase their revenue dramatically. And it makes a lot of sense because then AMD can use GameStop stores to sell AMD products. What am I talking about? Well, AMD has AMD files a new Project Quantum patent coming back from the dead. So this thing looks like basically a gaming console, and they can use GameStop to sell their CPU to sell their console looking type of computers. On top of selling this, they can also sell CPUs and GPUs and computer parts, AMD Pacific computer parts. It would 5,000 stores to sell AMD products. That's a pretty big deal, and then we all know that AMD is selling PlayStation the chips, so they're making money selling it to Sony, and then Sony ships it to GameStop and makes money. So if AMD owns GameStop, they make both money from selling it to Sony and selling it to the consumer through GameStop. So that would be like a double dip revenue, and that would increase their profit margins for selling the chips to Sony, the CPU and GPU combo bundle. And it's the same thing with Xbox, right? They could sell it to the Xbox. They could also sell it to Xbox. Xbox is the same thing. They use AMD products on them. So AMD is making money selling it to the retailer, selling it from the retailer, and selling it directly to Microsoft. So I think that's a good combination to have. What kind of premium would, I think GameStop might accept a buyout from AMD? $3 billion in my opinion. So what would $3 billion be? Well, let's just do some math here. They have an outstanding share of 65 million. So if we take $3 billion divided by 65 million, we get about $46 per share. Logical, isn't that? That's very logical. I mean, if I was management, that would be a really quick cash out, and they won't have to work hard to try to return the company around. But that I think $3 billion would make a lot of sense. It would be absolutely nothing to AMD. We took on, because AMD stock is worth $80 and if they bought GameStop out, let's say for $50 per share, that would put AMD at that they would dilute the stock by 30 million shares. But AMD would gain so much advantage from it. Their revenues would increase dramatically by net $1 billion per quarter, and the gross profit might drop a little bit, but then they could start selling AMD products, and that could directly to consumers. and 5,000 stores selling AMD CPUs, GPUs, and console type CPUs and consoles. I think the profit margins on AMD selling directly from GameStop would be dramatically a lot better, and it would increase their profit margins. So I think that's a very good strategy. I don't know if they'll do it, but I do like that. I do think that it's a something that's possible. I still think GameStop is extremely undervalued. I see the stock going to easily $20 and possibly $50 in the next couple years, unless the stock market crashes, which then would create a buying opportunity. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in this video. I'm holding this long term, and if it somehow crashes back to $3 or $4, probably sell off some stock to buy more GameStop, because at $3 or $4, that's a million. That is like a millionaire maker status right there. Like those prices, you could be a millionaire off GameStop if you have enough money to buy heavily into GameStop stock. But anyways, that is okay. Well, 6 minutes, 6 minutes. I gotta last 2 more minutes to make it a full 8-minute video. Unfortunately, YouTube requires me to make an 8-minute video to be able to put more ads into the video. And I'm greedy and I want to make more money. And I'm making this video as of October 13th, 2020. If we look at the conversation right now on GameStop, if it ever goes there, people are very bullish. Very, very bullish. Game bulls. We haven't even entered into the hype of the new console cycle yet. Our other partners, Kohan, possible role in e-commerce and for game. Fact that we could search value buying institutions who actually crunches numbers before purchasing stock is an unbelievable news. Can't wait till the green candle lights up tomorrow morning. Let's get it. Come on, Robinhood. We are ready for the second positive wave. So, yeah, sentiment is very, very positive right now for GameStop. Bears are in hiding. Bears are probably bulls right now. And I think the stock price is heading higher. But we'll see, though. We will see. But anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates. Oh my god, I gotta last another 15 seconds. 15 seconds! Yeah, AMD is $100 billion. They have, their share count is not very big. It's 1.7 billion shares. If they bought out GameStop, it would increase their share amount by 50 million shares, which is hardly nothing to them. But investors would love that combination between AMD and GameStop. AMD becoming a retailer selling AMD products to gamers. And what is AMD's market? Gamers. Gamers are the biggest AMD market right now, and servers also. And then once they acquire Xilinx, it'd be other stuff too. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.